Hello everyone, and once again welcome to David Valenzuela's YouTube channel. I welcome you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I will be talking to you about learning how to download and install the VLC player. So without further ado, I will begin. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go into your Google browser, and the first thing that I did, I just typed in VLC website and I'll go to the first link. Official download for VLC Media Player, the best open source. Click on that and it'll take me to this page. It's kind of like orange, guys, so make sure it's orange. The VLC Media Player. The VLC is a free and open source platform, cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most multimedia files as well as your DVDs, audio CDs, and VCDs and various streaming protocols. So here, guys, when I click on it once on a down arrow, it'll give you your options, which is your preference to download, whether it be Windows, Windows 64-bit, Windows ARM64, Windows Phone, Mac OS, Linux, or Android. These are a variety of operating systems that VLC is compatible. So for this one, since I have 64-bit on my laptop, I'm going to choose download. It'll take me directly to the download section, guys. Okay, it'll say downloading VLC 3.0.11 for Windows 64-bit. Thank you for downloading. We'll start in a few seconds. So here we just wait for a couple of seconds until it starts loading. Okay. And if I don't have to wait, I can just click on it, click on this, and it'll start. If it doesn't start, it'll start right now. I just clicked on it once. I have to wait just a couple of seconds for it to pop up and ask me on the left hand side, guys, as you can see right here, it'll start downloading. So depending on how fast your internet is, this download could take less than maybe 2-3 minutes tops. It could be 1 minute, so it's pretty fast. Other than that, there is another option of, if you don't want to download this particular program, your best option is also, I'm going to give you another option here that you can go about how to get the VLC player. VLC player portable. This is another way that you can download the VLC player without having it be on the control panel or the installation. This one's portable. You can use it on your USB flash drive, take it wherever you need to go and just plug it in. And if you need to open your media files or MP4 files, this is a cool feature as well, how to download it. As you can tell, it's 39.9 megabytes. That's the regular full program. This one's the portable one, so you have two options. You can download the full version, or you can download the one that's portable as well, guys. So I'm giving you an option there. This one's only 35.7 megabytes. Why? Because it's only it's portable, so you can take it wherever you need to go with it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to install it. I'm going to minimize this. You're going to say yes. You want to allow this app to make the changes to your body. Click yes. I want to minimize it. So here, guys, what I do, it'll give you the welcome setup. So welcome to the VLC Media Player. You just click next. Do I want to upgrade to the VLC using the previous? Since I already had this program installed, I can go ahead and click next. Then once it's doing, it'll start installing, extracting the files, and this could take a couple of seconds, or yeah, just wait patiently here. So once it's completing the VLC Media Player setup, then run the VLC. Click finish. Automatically it should pop up. So in the event I need to click on the media player, if I need to open a file, this is wherever I put position, whether it be on my documents or downloads or videos, I should be able to open any media files, and these are the media files, video files that are compatible all files. So if you click on that, then most likely you should be able to play your MP4 videos or MP3 as well, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.